YouTube. I just wanted to present to you guys this little girl right here. She's my rooster's buddy daughter. As you guys can see, she came out light. And I'm thinking that she might be half coaching. So look at her feathery feet. She's a March hatch. Yeah, she was hatched on March with two other Americana Sumatra mixes. She's a happy girl here. As you guys can see in my early video that I'm gonna post a link on later on in this video, I'm gonna post a link below the page to show you guys how my rooster buddy used to look when he was little. And then you guys will see that this is her daughter, his daughter. She's my little pride and joy. And my rooster buddy, he's still young. He just started mating like a couple of months back. And I can tell he's not a phoenix because he has yellow legs. I was sick on her teeth. She has yellow legs. Buddy's there. She looks like she might have a Brahma Peacocke. Right there. Brahma Peacocke right there. Buddy's tail. She looks to be a pullet. She doesn't have the rooster feathers down there. She has a saddly back like a Brahma too. She's a home incubation hatch. And she's adorable. Okay, that's it for the video. Don't forget to check out my other videos on YouTube. And to subscribe on the above, subscribe. And watch my other videos. Thanks, that will be it for today. Check out my links on the bottom of the page of this video. And we'll see you guys later.